Hey everybody, it's Alex from Alex's Veggies, and we like to call this Cookout on the Farm, where we are going to bring you our fresh produce and a chef together. That's me! Today we're going to do asparagus, and we have our good friend and local chef, Chef Nate from Mr. Gyro's, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you.
Chef Nate, thanks for
Alex,
coming out.
Thanks for having me, man. Thanks for having me.
So, why don't you tell us what you're going to cook here?
We got a few things in mind for tonight, or for the cookout this evening. We got some really cool asparagus dishes. This whole thing is going to be based around asparagus. It's asparagus season here at Alex's Veggies, and we're excited about it.
That sounds good to me.
That's
I'm
right.
excited.
Hey, all right. So the first dish, it's kind of like an Italian-German take on asparagus. So we're pairing it with some Nussschinken, which is like a smoked and cured ham. It's a German-style ham. We got some shaved Parmesan, and then we're gonna grill this asparagus. So sir, if you don't mind, we're gonna start right away here. We're just gonna coat these, and these are already par-cooked. These are called blanched asparagus. So what I did was I put them in some salted water for about 2 minutes. Took them out and then put them in an ice bath, and that immediately stopped the cooking process. So then we got some olive oil on those. We're gonna go ahead and season them up. A little salt and pepper, man.
I love
Alex,
salt and pepper.
I know you don't cook very often, but you mind grilling these for me, man?
I'll give it a shot.
All right. So you go ahead and throw those on the grill.
All right.
Meanwhile, while Alex is cooking those asparagus, we're gonna shift down here and we're gonna start doing an asparagus salad. This is a very simple salad, great for summertime, out on the patio, and you're ready to cook something up for your friends, real nice and simple and quick. So first we have some, same thing, blanched asparagus. I cut it on a bias, so it's got a really cool texture and look to it. We're gonna add that in the bowl right away. Next we have some pork. These are cooked fingerling potatoes, and they got some different colors here. We got red, purple, and some also like just regular like Yukon style there. We're gonna add those into the asparagus salad. Next we got some tomatoes. I put them on a julienne cut. That just means they're cut into long strips. Adds a little bit of fun texture and color. Some shaved onion. Some carrots, julienne as well. And then we're gonna add the herbs last. But first, before we add all that stuff, we're gonna dress it. And this is just a little bit of Greek vinaigrette. If you've ever been to Mr. Gyro's, this is the same Greek vinaigrette that goes on all our salads. It's a simple vinaigrette, but you can use whatever you like at home. And just gently pour that over the top of the salad. You want to make sure there's enough to coat everything. So a nice gentle coating of everything on there. We can put a little garlic. Yeah, we're gonna put a lot of garlic. That's when we make the noise, guys. When the garlic goes, yeah, there we go. All right.
Man.
You can always season that, a little salt and pepper as well. And then this is some whole grain mustard. Adds a depth of flavor that a lot of people are gonna taste and they're gonna be like, what is that? And you say, I'm not gonna tell you. But the trick is whole grain. And then you just take that mixture and you kind of just toss it like that. And you get it all mixed and incorporated. And right before you plate this up, you want to add your herbs. So now over here, we got some just Italian flat leaf parsley. This is a very earthy herb. It just goes in and adds a nice little earthy tone to everything. Also adds the nice flakiness of the leaves there. And then this is some fresh dill. And this is going to be available all through the summer here at Alex's Veggies. And you gotta come by and try some of this dill. It's the most fresh thing on the farm here. Besides Alex, of course.
I like that. Ooh. Wow.
So then give that another toss, just like I said before. Don't be afraid, you can use your tongs as well. Just give it a nice gentle stir.
See, now if this was me, everything would be everywhere, you know?
That's why you got me coming in, buddy.
That's all right.
And then you just go ahead and plate that up right in your bowl. Nice and pile it high, so everyone can see all the good stuff in that salad.
Wow.
And then to finish this, you're just gonna top it with a little bit of Greek feta. And that just adds a whole lot of brightness on top and a nice level of cheese that everybody wants to have, right?
That looks good.
And there you have that. Asparagus salad. You got some new potatoes in there, some onions, carrots, tomatoes, dill, parsley, and then feta to finish it off. Very, very nice salad. Alex, how's our asparagus? Oh, thank you. Hey, all right. How's our asparagus, Alex?
It's not looking bad.
Not looking bad, all right.
I'm a natural at this.
So once your asparagus is nice and grilled up here, you want to get some nice good color on it. You want to be careful now. The trick to grilling asparagus, as everyone knows, is go across the bars, not with the bars. That falls right through, of course. So after it's done grilling, you're going to place it right on your platter. And this is, again, a very simple dish, guys. You just get it all grilled up ahead of time. See what happened there?
I know.
We got to take one for the team on this.
Sorry.
That's all right. One for the asparagus gods.
I feel bad now.
That's all right. So now you have your asparagus lined up. Really simple to finish this dish, guys. This is a Greek olive oil. Very nice flavor in Greek olive oil. It's got to be extra virgin olive oil, otherwise it's not going to taste the same. You're going to give the asparagus just a little drizzle to finish it off. And heck, let's even put some on the salad. That'd be nice, huh? Another last minute seasoning is our Greek seasoning. We got oregano, rosemary, a little bit of dried dill in here, garlic powder, oregano, and you just give that a nice little dusting on the whole platter there.
Whoa, I'll step back for that.
Yeah, you gotta step back, man. And then this is the Nuss Schinken. Like I said before, this is a smoked and cured ham. Very, very cool. If you've never tried it before, they have it locally here at Rogers Deli. You can get some of this and just pile that high right on top of your...
Can I try a piece
Absolutely, yes sir. What do you think of that?
That's really good.
Don't let
That's
Rosie
awesome.
and Lily see it.
I know.
Okay,
They're not around.
And then, to finish it off, some shaved Parmesan as well. And then you just hit that all around there. And there you have it. That's the whole dish. Grilled asparagus with Nuss Schinken.
That looks awesome.
And shaved Parmesan.
You guys,
Thank you.
guys want to try some of this?
Yeah.
Well, before we do, Alex, I got one more thing for you.
Oh, really?
There's one more thing.
One more dish?
So of course, there's always this problem we have. At the end of the day, you trim your asparagus, you make all these delicious dishes, but you have all these stalks left over the bottom.
I usually just toss them out.
You just toss them, right?
Give them to the pigs, you know?
No, you want to save those. So what you do is you save those stalks, you put them in a nice pot with some chicken stock, vegetable stock, whatever you like. You boil it up for a very long time. I'm thinking about 4 or 5 hours. After you simmer for a long time, you want to puree it in a food processor or an immersion blender, and you get an asparagus bisque, just like this here. And see how creamy that is, man?
Now that looks good.
Just like that, right? And now all those stalks that have now been broken down in that stock, they've now become very tender. You just want to make sure to clean them very much because there's sand in asparagus and you want to be careful of that.
Right.
But a nice little bisque here, you garnish it with a little few asparagus tips. Just the tips, Alex. And if you wanted, a little bit of olive oil on that one too.
Wow.
And just for funsies, a little bit of smoked Nuss Schinken right on top there, man. You guys ready for some asparagus or what?
Yeah!
Woo! Feed me.
And that's everything we have for our cookout on the farm here at Alex's Veggies. You gotta stop by and get some of this fresh asparagus. It's gonna go fast, especially at Mr. Gyro's. We're gonna have some of these on special, so stop by the restaurant and have some.
Awesome. Thanks, Nate.
Thank you, Alex.
Let's eat.
What a best kiss.
I
want the little guy.
Bomb.
Yeah.
That's really good. You need
Finger lean.
at one.
Try one.
Oh, that was a bug.
Try that
10,
salad.
20
Oh my god.
The soup.
Try the soup. Soup's amazing. That salad.
So believe it or not, the soup I cooked a lot with that ham too.